Dear students, welcome to virtual class 03 of chapter natural resources. In last classes we have studied about our natural resources such as air and wind. Now we will study about air pollution. First of all, what is air pollution? Air pollution is the mixing of harmful substances in air. मीन्स हमारी एयर में अगर हार्मफुल सब्सटेंसेस आ जाएं, that is called air pollution. It can severely affect our health and the other organism and the quality of our environment. तो फिर क्या होगा अगर एयर पोल्यूशन हो गया? Then because of air pollution, a large number of diseases will be caused. Our health will be affected. The second topic is what are the causes of air pollution. So the causes of air pollutions, here we can see in this picture. Sources of air pollution. Here we can see the industries are causing around 52% of air pollution. Industries, we know they are producing smoke, and in that smoke, because of the burning of coal and petroleum, there are coming harmful gases, and these gases are causing air pollution. Transportation, we are using vehicles like car or motorbike, etc. These are causing around 27% pollution. Consumer and commercial products are causing 8% pollution. We are using many of the consumer products such as plastics, polythene we are using, so we are causing around 8% of the air pollution. Commercial and residential heating, we are using various products or various instruments, they are causing heat, and this heat is causing around 1% of the air pollution. Then from agriculture some of the pollution is caused, and from other sources 2% of the pollution is caused. So these are the causes of air pollution. Then next to see is what are the effects of air pollution. Means what will happen if air is getting polluted. So effects of air pollution are: number 1 is acid rain. What is this acid rain? The number 1 harmful effect of air pollution is acid rain. What is acid rain? Acid rain we can understand through this picture. Here we can see some of the factories, they are producing smoke, and from this smoke harmful gases such as sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, carbon dioxide are being produced. These harmful gases are with coming to react with the water of rain. So here when these gases, what examples, what I told you is carbon dioxide, sulfur oxide, nitrogen oxides, these are reacting with the rainwater. So this rainwater and these harmful gases produce acid. This we have to remember. So when this acid along with the rainwater falls on the earth, it is called acid rain. This acid rain is very harmful for plants and animals. So this is the acid rain caused because of air pollution. Then second is disease and allergies. A large number of disease like cancer, skin allergies, eyes allergies, lungs infection are caused because of the air pollution. Then third one is a decrease in visibility. Visibility means we can see how much long distance we can see. This is our visibility. But because of the pollutants present in air, nowadays the visibility has been decreased. Means if we are standing on the road, we are unable to see the far off things which are present. Suppose if any vehicle is coming from a far distance, so we are unable to see it because of the smog present in air. What this smog is, I am telling you, this smog is smoke plus fog. This smoke plus fog is called smog. Why this smog is produced? As I told you, these factories are causing air pollution. They are releasing harmful gases. These vehicles are also producing harmful materials in the air, and when the air is getting filled with these harmful pollutants, we are unable to see the objects clearly. This is a decrease in the visibility. Then the next one is global warming. Very, very important. What is global warming? Global warming is the rise of Earth's temperature. We are needed to remember that our Earth's temperature is continuously increasing. This is increasing how? As I told you, these factories, vehicles are producing harmful gases, and these harmful gases are increasing the temperature of Earth. Increase in the temperature. So, when this Earth's temperature is getting increased, this is called green. This is because of greenhouse effect, and this is called global warming. Then the next one is ozone layer. What this ozone layer is, we will understand it through this diagram. Just see in this picture, this layer, blue colored layer, we can see this is our ozone layer, and this is our Earth. So when from sun the light is coming, harmful radiation are also coming on Earth, and this ozone layer is preventing us from the harmful radiation. But because of the air pollution, a large number of holes are getting formed in this ozone layer. So this is a very harmful effect of air pollution. We will study it in detail in next classes. So these are the harmful effects of air pollution. So what we have studied in this class, dear students, we are needed to recall it that air pollution, mixing of harmful materials in air, causes of air pollution, industries and transportation, means the vehicles are causing most of the pollution. Then what are the harmful effects of air pollution? So we have studied acid rain, disease, decrease in visibility, global warming, ozone layer. So these all are the harmful effects of air pollution. Thank you.